Hello guys, welcome to a new episode how to create a static website on Azure. Let's get started. So before starting to show you how to do this, let me explain in 2 words which is the difference between a static and dynamic website, because if you will try to upload a dynamic website, of course this didn't work. And basically a static website is usually written in plain HTML and plus CSS in some cases. And the second one, a dynamic website, is written using a server-side scripting language such PHP, JSP, maybe Java, and so on. So let me show you how to do this via Azure portal. And in some cases this kind of hosting for a static website can be useful for you. Okay, once you have logged on Azure portal, go to all services, and here write storage account, click on storage account, and here we need to add a new storage account. And yes, we need to perform some action before creating a storage account. Here we have a subscription below a resource group. If you don't have it, create new one. By creating new, it's pretty simple. And let me name my storage account static website. Cloud Edge Advisor. Please pay attention to the name of storage account, because the name must be unique across all existing storage account names in Azure, not just in your subscription or in your resource group. This doesn't matter. And the length should be between 3 and 24 characters long, only with lowercase letters and numbers. Okay, the performance I will leave standard. The difference between standard and premium is because if you will choose premium, you will have state solid drivers, and in standard you will have magnetic drivers, hard disks. Account level, I will choose version 2 because I am not sure, but in version 1 the static website option is not available. We will check later this option and click next. Next. Waiting for validation and click create. Once our development of storage account is done, go to resource, and below in settings we have static website. Click enabled, and here we need to name our default page of our website. Usually is index.html. Here we need to insert the name of our page in case of Azure returns page not found. Save. And now the next step, we need to upload the content of our website. I already prepared a simple web page, a static web page, of course, plus GSS style. Let me upload it. The upload is really fast, of course. And now if you want to access your website, go back to storage account, go back to static website, and here we have primary point is our link to our website. And here we go, we have a simple HTML static page. And of course, if you want to edit this page, you can do this from here. Let me show you how you can do this. Edit blobs. And yes, let me perform some change on this file. Let me do. This is a demo page. Hit save button, go back, refresh the page, and the new text is here. This is really fast and easy, guys, to host a static website on Azure. And the most important thing is that it is very cheap, because is used a storage account to store this website. Hope this was useful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.